In this video, we are going to talk about motorcycle gadgets, USB outlet dual quick charge, Lexin Bluetooth headset, WSD cam 113 decibel bike alarm, Meguiars motorcycle care kit, and Alpha Gear all-season jacket. Number 5. 12-volt USB outlet dual quick charge 3.0. It comes with a compact USB car charger with 3 USB ports that can charge 3 gadgets at once. Its QC 3.0 technology allows for a maximum output of 18 watts and a charging speed that is 4 times faster than standard charging. The car charger is made of an innovative aluminum alloy material that is more durable than previous plastic models, has a superior texture, and is more resistant to high temperatures, making it safer than plastic chargers. Number 4. Lexin 2 pieces B4FM 10 riders motorcycle Bluetooth headset with music sharing. While riding, the LX B4FM allows you to communicate hands-free. You can make or receive hands-free calls and listen to the best hi-fi stereo music, FM radio, or GPS voice direction with Siri and S-Voice commands enabled. It works nicely at speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. The lithium-ion battery can play music for up to 15 hours, chat for up to 8 hours, and standby for up to 120 hours. With the headset, you can share your riding experience and have a conversation with up to 4 other riders at the same time over a 1,600-meter intercom range. Number 3. WSD cam 113 decibel bike alarm. It has a loud alarm of up to 113 decibel, which effectively scares away potential thieves. It has 7 levels of sensitivity, ranging from gentle touch to pushing or beating, and it's simple to customize to your needs. It is suitable for outdoor use because it is waterproof. Its vehicle search capability makes it simple to locate your vehicle in a parking lot. There are 3 different types of bells to choose from. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you're loving the content. Number 2. Meguiars motorcycle care kit. All motorcycle surfaces, including paint, plastic, leather, vinyl, and metal, are cleaned and protected with a motorcycle care kit. It includes essential items such as Motorcycle Easy Clean, Detailer Mist and Wipe, and Liquid, among others. Motorcycle Easy Clean is the safest and simplest way to clean your entire motorcycle. Simply spray it on and rinse it off. All the products are packaged compact enough to fit into saddlebags and small compartments. Number 1. Alpha Cycle Gear Motorcycle All-Season Jacket. This motorcycle jacket is completely waterproof, so it will keep you dry in the rain. The jacket is suitable for all 4 seasons. The front, back, and arms of this highly visible jacket have reflective design Alpha logos. It has 2 front-facing air vents and 1 large back-facing air vent.